In this video, I'm going to show you how to import your video to your Adobe Premiere Pro program. So find out this panel, project untitled. Here you will see media browser. Select it. If you not see here, so click on this two arrow. So you will see project, media browser and libraries. So select media browser. Now select your drive. Now open your drive. So here you will see some folders. Find out your folder where you have video. That's it. Now drag and drop on timeline. Now here you can play and you can check your video is working properly or not. So that's it guys. By this easy and simple steps we can know how to import video or audio to Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.